Now let's go and learn how to use Magic Switch. So you could just go ahead and try to click on to create a design here onto the upper part. Click onto the suggested templates you could use in a custom size. You could also import a file or a photo that you want to use this feature with, or you could just try to open a project that you have made already so that you could utilize this feature. So we'll try to do that so that we'll get redirected onto the editing page. Now as you can see, I tried to open the certain file that I have in here, and here onto the upper part, you could actually see the Magic Switch option. So you'll just have to click onto Magic Switch, and then right after, you could go ahead and try to click onto the things that you want to do onto your design. So you could translate your design into another language, transform into a document. So you could turn your design into a summary, a blog post, or a song lyric. You could also try to resize the format, YouTube thumbnail, your story or Instagram story, or you could browse through different categories that we have in here. So for example, we would want to have this one onto a video. So we're going to go ahead and try to click onto video in here. You'll just try to choose in a format, click onto continue, and it will go ahead and try to do a quick preview on how your design will look like. So as you can see, it gone ahead and made our design a video. You could copy and resize or resize this design. You could copy and resize in here, and then we'll just have to wait once it is done. So once it is done, you can just go ahead and try to click onto open video, and you should be able to get redirected onto a new page wherein it has your video already made. So you could do a quick preview like that. And then once you're already satisfied with it, you could go ahead and click onto share, click onto download, choosing the file type. And then once you have chosen already, you could just simply go ahead and download it. And that's just basically it on using Magic Switch onto Canva.